Hello again, my dear friend. I'm grateful you're here, taking this quiet time for yourself. Life can sometimes feel like a race. Everyone around you seems to be moving so fast, achieving, chasing, running. And maybe you felt pressure too, like you're behind, like you should be further along by now. But tonight, I want to remind you of something important. You are not behind. Your journey is your own, and there is power in moving slowly. We live in a world that celebrates speed, fast results, quick answers, instant success. It makes us believe that slow means failure, that if we are not rushing, we are wasting time. But the truth is, what grows slowly grows deeply. A tree takes years to rise tall. A mountain takes centuries to form. And the most meaningful changes in your heart, healing, learning, becoming, they take time too. Sometimes what makes us hurry is comparison. You see someone else succeeding and you wonder, why not me? You see others moving fast and you feel left behind. But life is not a racetrack. It is a garden. And in a garden, every flower blooms in its own season. The rose in spring does not envy the chrysanthemum in autumn. They both bloom beautifully in their time. You too are blooming in your own season. There's a story from nature I want to share with you. The bamboo tree is planted like any other seed, but for the first year, you see almost nothing. The second year, still almost nothing. The third year, nothing much changes. Even in the fourth year, the soil remains quiet. But in the fifth year, suddenly, the bamboo shoots up, growing over 20 meters tall in just weeks. Did it really grow in weeks? No. All those years, it was growing strong roots under the ground. It was preparing, silently, patiently, so that when the time came, it could rise tall and unshakable. You too may feel like not much is happening, but inside, your roots are growing. You are preparing. And one day, your growth will surprise even you. Waiting is not wasted time. Waiting is sacred time. It is the season when your soul gathers strength. Think of bread rising. Think of fruit ripening. Think of the moon becoming full. None of these things can be rushed. They all take their time. And so do you. When life feels slow, the mind often says, I'm not doing enough. I should be faster. Everyone else is ahead of me. But what if instead you whispered to yourself, I trust my journey. I am exactly where I need to be. Slow is not wrong. It is real. Because even when you can't see it, change is happening. Healing is happening. Growth is happening. Let's try a practice together. Take a slow, deep breath in and release it gently. As you breathe in, imagine you are receiving patience. As you breathe out, imagine you are letting go of hurry. Breathe in, patience. Breathe out, hurry. Do this a few times. Feel your body soften. Feel time slow down. Right now, there is nowhere else you need to be. Right now, you are enough. Picture a river. It doesn't rush and panic to reach the ocean. It simply flows, bending and turning, finding its way. It trusts gravity. It trusts time. It trusts that eventually it will arrive. Your life is like that river. You don't have to know every turn in advance. You don't have to rush the flow. You just keep moving gently forward and trust you will arrive. Sometimes the slow seasons of life are the most important ones. When nothing seems to move, you learn patience. When progress feels invisible, you learn faith. When everything feels quiet, you learn to listen to yourself. These lessons are not wasted. They are the very foundation of your strength. Restlessness often comes when we resist slowness, when we think, I should be somewhere else by now. But peace comes when we accept the pace of our own journey. When we say, I am here, and this is enough. When we trust that life is not punishing us with delay, life is preparing us with patience. Close your eyes if you can. Imagine a seed planted deep in the soil. For a long time, nothing is visible. But under the soil, the seed is alive. Its roots are stretching. It's reaching for water, for nutrients, for strength. Now imagine, after a long, quiet season, the seed breaks through the soil. It grows upward, little by little, toward the sun. It doesn't hurry. It doesn't doubt. It simply grows. And so do you. It takes courage to move slowly in a fast world. It takes courage to rest when others run. It takes courage to believe that your path is right, even if it looks different. But you are courageous. You are learning to trust the timing of your life. And that trust will carry you further than any rush ever could. Before you drift to sleep, let these words settle in your heart. You can even repeat them silently. I trust my journey. I am not behind. My growth may be slow, but it is real. I am blooming in my own season. I am exactly where I need to be. So tonight, let yourself rest. The world may be rushing, but you don't need to join the race. Your life is not late. Your path is unfolding. And slow does not mean stuck. Slow means steady, deep, and true. Trust the slow journey, dear one. It is carrying you exactly where you are meant to go. Good night.